Morning students, my name is C.H. Devi. I working as chemistry lecturer in Dr. Lankapalli Bullai College in Visakhapatnam. Today we will discuss hydroxy compounds in third semester. Now what is hydroxy compounds? Now hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic or acyclic or aromatic or substituted aromatic containing compounds are called as hydroxy compound. Now hydroxy group is nothing but OH group. Now this hydroxy compounds is divided to two compounds, two types. One is alcoholic compounds, another one is phenolic compounds. Now alcohols. Now hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic or acyclic compounds is called as alcohols. That means this OH group is directly bonded with any aliphatic or acyclic compound. That means the general formula of alcohol is ROH. The general formula of alcohol is ROH. Now where R is aliphatic or any alkyl or acyclic group. Now the example of this alcohol is like CH3OH. Now CH3OH is the one of the aliphatic alcohols. Now what is this name? Methanol. What is this name? Methanol. Now another cyclic alcohols. Now these are the cyclohexane. Now the cyclohexane is directly bonded with OH. Now this name is cyclohexanol. Now cyclohexanol is the one of the example of cyclic alcohol. Now phenols. Now what is phenols? Now OH group is directly bonded with aromatic nucleus or substituted aromatic nucleus. Substituted aromatic compounds. Now the example of these phenols is, now you take benzene. Benzene is nature of aromatic nature. Now the benzene ring is directly bonded with OH group. Now these are the aromatic hydroxy compounds. Now this aromatic hydroxy compound is nothing but phenol. Now let us take another substituted aromatic ring. One of the example of substituted aromatic ring is toluene. Now these are the toluene. Now this OH group is directly bonded with aromatic ring or substituted aromatic ring. Now these are one of the example of substituted aromatic ring. Now this OH group is directly bonded with benzene nucleus or aromatic nucleus. These are one of the examples of phenols. Now this first 2 and 2. 2-methyl phenol. Or these are the ipso position. These are ortho position and meton para position. In ortho position, methyl groups are there. Now another name of this compound is ortho methyl phenol. Now let us discuss classifications of hydroxy compounds. Classifications of alcohols. In first classification, alcohols are classified as mono, di, tri, tetrahydric compounds. Mono, di, tri and tetrahydric compounds according to number of hydroxy groups. In examples of mono, di, tri, tetrahydric compounds are, in first example of monohydric compounds, like which compounds having only one hydroxy group, the compounds are called as monohydric compound. Examples of monohydric compounds is methanol and ethanol, propanol, butanol, cyclohexanol, etc. Now another example of dihydric compounds. That means which compounds having two hydroxy group, the compounds are called as dihydric compounds. Now CH2OH and CH2OH. These compounds having two hydroxy group. This compound is one of the example of dihydric compound. Now what is this name? Glycol. What is this name? Glycol. Now another one, trihydric compound. Another one, trihydric compound. Which compound is having 3 hydroxy group? That compounds are called as trihydric compound. Like CH2OH and CHOH and CH2OH. This compound is having 3 hydroxy group. This compound having 3 hydroxy group. These are the one of the example of trihydric compound. Now what is this name? Glycerol. What is this name? Glycerol. And last one, tetrahydric compound. And last one, tetrahydric compound. That means which compound is having 4 hydroxy group. That compound is called as tetrahydric compound. And CH2OH and CHOH 4 and CHO. Now this compound is having 4 hydroxy group. Now these are the one of the example of tetrahydric compound. Now what is this name? Glucose. What is this name? Glucose. That means methanol, propanol, butanol and cyclohexanol. These are all called as an example of monohydric compounds. And glycol is one of the example of dihydric compounds, and glycerol is one of the example of trihydric compounds, and glucose is example of tetrahydric compounds. And another classification of alcohol is now in second classification of alcohol. Now alcohols is classified as primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols according to position of hydroxy group. According to position of hydroxy group. Now primary alcohols means now OH group is directly bonded with primary carbon. That alcohols is called as primary alcohols, and hydroxy group is directly bonded with secondary carbon. That alcohols is called as secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols means OH group is directly bonded with tertiary carbon. Now let us see the example of this primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Now methanol, propanol, butanol, hexanol, decanol. These are one of the example of primary alcohols. CH3, CH2, OH. These are one of the example of primary alcohols. And secondary alcohols. In secondary alcohols means hydroxy group is directly bonded with secondary carbon. These are primary carbon. These are also primary carbon. These are also primary carbon. In this one, this OH group is directly bonded with secondary carbon. In secondary carbon means this carbon is bonding with 2 carbons. Due to this reason, this carbon is secondary carbon. OH group is directly bonded with secondary carbon. So this, what is this name? Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. In IUPAC name of this compound having 3 carbon. 3 carbons indicating propane. 3 carbons indicating propane. In OH, in this compound, OH group is acting as functional group. Functional group. The secondary suffix name of this OH group is ol. Ol. In OH position is second carbon position. 1, 2, 3. Second position. So propane to ol. Propane to ol. Or 2-propanol. Or 2-propanol. Now another example of tertiary alcohols. That means hydroxy group is directly bonded with tertiary carbon. These are tertiary carbon. Now tertiary carbon is bonding with OH group. These are the tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. In IUPAC name of this compound is, these are the long chain. These are the long chain. In long chain having 3 carbons. So prop. Long chain is having 3 carbons, prop. In second carbon is substituted with 1 methyl group and another OH group. In CH3 is acting as substituted and OH group is acting as functional group. Now 2-methyl, 2-propanol, 2-methyl, 2-propanol. In IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl, 2-propanol. OH group is directly bonded with tertiary carbon. Due to this reason, what is this name? Tertiary alcohols. Now next, let us discuss classifications of phenols. Classifications of phenols. Now again, in first classifications of phenol is, now phenols are classified as mono, di, tri, hydric phenols. Mono, di, trihydric phenols according to number of hydroxy group is present in compounds. Now in first one, monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenols. Now which compounds having only one hydroxy group, that compounds are called as monohydric compound. Let us take phenol. Now this OH group is directly bonded with nucleus, benzene nucleus. Now these are one of the example of phenol. Now these phenols having only one OH group. Now another one, CH3OH. Now OH group is directly bonded with substituted aromatic compound. These are also one of the example of phenols and monohydric phenols. Now what is this name? Phenol and ardomethyl phenol. Ardomethyl phenol. Another example is ardonitrophenol. Ardonitrophenol is also one of the example of monohydric phenol. These three compounds are having only one hydroxy groups. Now in second one, dihydric compounds. Dihydric compounds. In dihydric compounds means which phenols having two hydric compounds, that compounds are called as dihydric compounds. Example of dihydric compound is OH, OH and OH, OH and OH and OH. Now listen, in this one OH is in ipso position, another OH is in ortho position. And second picture, in one OH is bonding with ipso position and another one is meta position. In see the third picture, in one OH is bonded with ipso position and second OH is bonding with para position. So what is this name? Catechol. Catechol. And orthohydroxyphenol is called as catechol. Orthohydroxyphenol. Now what is this name of the metahydroxyphenol? Metahydroxyphenol is called as isocinol. Isocinol. Now these are the parahydroxyphenol. Parahydroxyphenol. Now parahydroxyphenol common name is quinol. Parahydroxyphenol common name is quinol. Now in trihydric, example of trihydric phenols. Example of trihydric phenol. That means 3-hydroxy group is directly bonded with benzene ring. Listen, one hydroxy group is directly bonded with ipso position, another one is ortho position, and third hydroxy group is bonding with meta position. Now what is this name? Pyrogallal. 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 That means ortho comma meta dihydroxyphenol is called as pyrogallal. Now when you see the second picture, one hydroxy group is bonding with ipso position, second hydroxy group is bonding with ortho position, and third hydroxy group is bonding with para position. Now what is this name? 2-hydroxyphenol. 2-hydroxyphenol or ortho comma para dihydroxyphenol. Now we'll see the third picture. In this one, in third picture, 3 hydroxy group is bonding with 1 hydroxy group bonding with ipso position and 2 hydroxy group is bonding with meta position. So what is this name? 3 comma 4 1 2 3 4 5 3 comma 5 comma 3 comma 5 dihydroxyphenol 3 comma 5 dihydroxyphenol. The common name of this 3 comma 5 dihydroxyphenol is fluorobucinol. Totally the classifications of phenol is one classified of phenol is classified as mono, di, tri, hydric phenols. Mono, di, tri, hydric phenols.